In this video, I'm going to break down how to safely dispose of leftover concrete mix and wash water after your project without messing up the environment or breaking any rules. When you're done with your concrete work, you don't want to just dump that leftover mix or wash water anywhere because it can cause some serious damage to soil, waterways, and even your local plumbing. First off, if you've got leftover dry concrete mix, the best move is to store it in a sealed container or bag for future use, so it doesn't harden in your workspace or get wasted. If you have wet leftover mix, try to use it up on small patch repairs around your site, or let it harden in a bucket before tossing it in the trash, but never pour it down the drain or street. For wash water, avoid dumping it directly into storm drains or natural water bodies because the alkaline and cement particles can harm aquatic life and pollute the water. Instead, set up a washout area where the water can settle and solids sink to the bottom before carefully disposing of the clearer water according to local regulations. You can also use absorbent materials like sand or kitty litter to soak up leftover wet concrete and then throw it away as solid waste. Always check with your local waste management or environmental agency for the specific rules about concrete disposal in your area, because these can vary a lot. Keeping your cleanup process clean not only helps the environment, but also saves you from fines and headaches down the road. One of the biggest screw-ups I see when people deal with leftover concrete is pouring wash water straight into storm drains or gutters, which is a huge no-no because it contaminates local water systems. Another common mistake is tossing wet concrete into regular trash bins before it hardens, which can cause damage to waste trucks and landfills since wet concrete expands and hardens unexpectedly. And finally, not checking local laws about disposal methods can land you in trouble. Every place has different rules about how you gotta handle leftover materials and wash water, so don't skip that step. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty awesome because it connects homeowners like you with reliable local contractors who know their stuff and follow all the right disposal guidelines. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to score more jobs, BigHomeProjects.com helps you get noticed by homeowners who need trusted pros for projects just like yours.